keyboard, piano
tutorial.
subscribe.
Hello, beginner that's trying struggling to play keyboard. Do you have a set that you people are learning keyboard? So today you are going to top them with the amazing way to play keyboard. So let us follow this beat. If you are always playing like this, I'm telling you today that you're going to stop it. Just follow the steps. Or you can play like this. Or you can play something like this. That's all about it. I'm going to teach you the first one. If you are playing like this, try to play like this, 4 chord. You can play like this. Only this note, you are not going to use this one on this 4 chord. But if you want to make it amazing like this, but I'm advising you to avoid this this very finger for now, until you capture everything very well. Then you can play it very well. And this type of a lead, you can play trumpet. It's the same on this progression. It's the same, we play. This one is very soundful if you are using xylophone on it. Use all this amazing sound and top your fellow people that are learning keyboard at the same place. So coming to my channel, you're not going to regret it. This one is stop playing like this. Or even if you are playing like this, but you don't know how to play inversion, that would be an amazing way to play it. If you play like this, it's very soundful and it's very manageable. So next time I'm going to teach you the amazing way you can play like next time I'm going to teach you amazing way you can play this one.